everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 16, Prepositions of Place and Movement. Prepositions of place show us where something is or where something is happening. Place는 어디, 장소 같은데, movement는 움직이는 거. Our prepositions of place are at, 뭐뭐에, in, 뭐뭐 안에, on, 뭐뭐 위에, under, 뭐뭐 아래에, above, 뭐뭐 위에, in front of, 뭐뭐의 앞에, behind, 뭐뭐의 뒤에, near, 뭐뭐 근처에, next to, 뭐뭐 옆에, across from, 뭐뭐 맞은편에, between, 뭐뭐 사이에. For prepositions of movement, we have to, 뭐뭐로, up, 위로, into, 뭐뭐 안으로, over, 넘어갈 때, from, 뭐뭐에서, 출발점, down, 아래로, out of, 뭐뭐 밖으로, and around, 뭐뭐 돌래를 또는 뭐뭐 주변을. At is a very special preposition because sometimes we use the, but sometimes we don't. When we're talking about home, school, or work, we do not use the article the. We just say at home, at school, at work. 나머진 장소들은 the가 필요해요. For example, at the park, at the restaurant, or at the bookstore. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 65, the directions say to look and circle the correct preposition. The cat is the chair. 의자는 여기 있고 고양이가 여기 있어. Is it in? 의자 안에? Or on? 의자 위에? Good. On the chair. Number 2, the ball is the table. The ball is here, the table is here. Is it under or above? Under, above. Good, it's under the table. Number 3, the chair is behind or next to the table. Behind, next to. Good, next to the table. Number 4, the picture is the table. Picture is here. Is it above the table or across from the table? Good, above the table. Number 5, the lamp, 여기, is between or near the vase and the book. Vase 여기 있고, book은 여기 있고. 사이에 있네. Between the vase and the book. Number 6, the rug is, this is the rug. Is it in front of or behind the table? table는 여기 있고, rug은 여기 바로 앞이니까 in front of. Number 7, the vase is the lamp. vase는 여기 있고, lamp는 여기 있고. On or next to? Good, it's next to. on이었으면 여기 위에 있었겠지? In part B, we need to look, choose, and write the correct preposition. In our word box, we have around, down, into, out of, over, and up. Number 1, the mouse runs the stairs. 이 방향으로 가고 있네. Up the stairs. Number 2, the mouse runs the stairs. Down the stairs. The mouse jumps. 안으로 안 들어가고 슝. Over the box. Number 4, the mouse runs the box. 융. Around the box. Number 5, the mouse jumps the box. 안으로. Into the box. And number 6, the mouse jumps 밖으로. out of the box. Fantastic! Please check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 66, the directions say to choose and write. Number 1. In our word box, we have between, 사이에, down, 밑으로, from, 뭐뭐부터, in, 안으로, 안에, into, 안으로, out of, 밖으로, under, 밑에, up, 위로. My dad walked the house and got into his car. 집에 있었는데 나가서 차를 탔어. Out of the house. Number 2. My uncle just came back Europe. 다시 돌아왔는데 유럽에서 왔어. From Europe. Number 3. Let's walk the stairs. The office is on the second floor. 2층이면 우리 위로 가야죠? Let's walk up the stairs. Number 4. There were many students in the classroom. 반 안에. In the classroom. Number 5. I keep my comic books in a box my bed. 침대 밑에. Under my bed. Number 6. Sally dove shoo, 물 안으로. Into the water. Number 7. Mila's house is my house and Jeff's house. 사이에, between. And number 8. Let's ski the hill. It will be fun. 스키 타면 보통 내려가잖아. Down the hill. Good job. In part D, we need to read and match. Then we will discuss our choices. 왜 선택했는지까지도 이야기하겠습니다. Number 1. Sarah is sleeping. Is she sleeping behind the house? Out of the room? In her room? Or around the track? Sarah는 여자고 당연히 방 안에 자고 있겠죠? In her room. Number 2. There is a small garden. 보통 집 뒤에 있으니까 behind the house. Number 3. Pete got angry and walked. 방에서 나갔어. And walked out of the room. Number 4. The runners raced. Race 하면 you're on a track. Around the track. Number 5. The elevator is broken. Let's walk. At the library, up the stairs, out of bed, behind the door. Elevator. 엘리베이터 대신에 올라갈 수 있는 방법은 up the stairs. Jenny is studying at the library, out of bed, behind the door. 조용한 곳, 도서관. Number 7. Look, the kittens are hiding behind the door. Number 8. Sam woke up and got out of bed. Very nice. Please check your answers and let's go to our last page. On page 67, we will be reviewing lesson 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Ooh, very fast. In part A, we need to circle and write the correct preposition. Number 1, in, on, or at. Remember, in we use for months, years, and seasons. We also use it for morning, afternoon, and evening. On is for the days and dates. At is for the time, and noon, night, and midnight. I usually leave home 8:10. 8:10 is the time. Time is at. Number 2, my dad is watching TV the living room. 거실 안에. In the living room. Number 3, there is a small park my school. Between, 사이, or 근처, near. Good. Near my school. 사이에 있었으면 my school이랑 다른 건물가 있어야 돼. Number 4, let's go to basement. Let's go down to basement or let's go up to basement. Basement is 지하, so we need to go down. Number 5, after 이후 or for. 뭐뭐 동안. We were tired shopping. We took a nap. 쇼핑하고 나서. After shopping. Number 6. Across. 건너편에 next. 옆에. The bank is from the shopping mall. 건너편에. Across from the shopping mall. We know we need to use across because next는 next to가 나와야 되는데 from가 나오죠? Across from the shopping mall. In part B, we need to choose and write. In our word box, we have and 그리고 carefully 조심하게 from 뭐뭐 동안 뭐뭐에서 mustn't must not contraction 하면 안 된다. New 새로운 Listen to the question and answer it. 오, 조심하게 또는 집중하면서 Listen carefully to the question and answer it. Number 2. Children play with knives. 칼? 아이들? 놀면 안 되죠? Mustn't play with knives. Number 3. We ate pizza, salad, 그리고 and ice cream for lunch. 맛있겠다. Number 4. Are those shoes? They look nice. 새 신발이야? Are those shoes new? Number 5. Kimmy is a new student. She is Japan. 일본에서 왔어. She is from Japan. Great. In our last part, we need to underline and correct the mistake. Write no mistake if there isn't any. Number 1. My English class is on Mondays and Wednesdays. Days and dates are on. 이게 맞아. My English class is on Mondays and Wednesdays. Number 2. The roller coaster is more exciting ride at the park. more는 비교할 때 사용하는 건데 ride at the park. 가장 재미있다는 뜻인데 more exciting은 사용하지 않을 거고 가장 the most exciting. Number 3. What do you usually do on the afternoon? On is for days and dates. The afternoon is not a day. 날짜도 아니잖아. Afternoon. Morning, afternoon, evening. We need to use in. Number 4. We were at the library during 2 hours. 2시간 중에? 응? 2시간 동안. 2시간 동안으로 바꿔야죠. For 2 hours. And our last question, number 5. Which color do you like more? Blue and green? And this is for 그리고. 근데 we're asking which one? 선택하라고. choice잖아. Blue or green. Great job. Please check your answers and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?